Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what I do with my instant noodles. So today I've got, this is MyKuali Penang Spicy Prawn Soup Noodle. Yeah. And this is good stuff, let me tell you. I enjoy it so much that I let them. See that? Top 10 list stuff right here, folks. So what do? I will show you. 380 milliliters of water in the pot. Cut it open. Garnish. Goop. Noodles. Back on the heat for 3. So yeah, this is the paste. And just like I said before, you need your sachets if they are like this kind of thing. If they're goopy stuff, get them nice and warm. Pray to your sachet, you know. Just get it a little bit warmer than normal, because you want to use as much of it as possible. And this one, fried onion. Excellent stuff. So, let's see. I was able to take my son Andy, and I had Mimi in the stroller, and we went and walked around my hometown of Anacortes, Washington on Christmas Day. If you go to the Ramen Raider channel on YouTube and dig around, you'll find a playlist just called the Ramen Raider Diet, and it'll show one in there. Anacortes, Washington, 12/25/2019. That's the walk we did around Anacortes. So I didn't have it. I had it zoomed in a bit when I started, which is a real bummer. But I zoom it out when we're leaving this park and heading back by where I grew up. So it's pretty cool. Beautiful country up there. Anacortes is a little town on Fidalgo Island. Fidalgo Island is separated by a bridge from the mainland. It's kind of, they call it the gateway to the San Juan. San Juan Islands are a real popular spot to go visit up there. So, yassa. Good dinner at my mom's. She got this, every year it's the same thing with her. Golden Lion roast. Fancy cut of meat. Expensive. For me, I don't care how much the meat costs. I like to be around nice people. And if it doesn't taste good, I'm not into it. But generally, I haven't had a piece of meat that somebody couldn't make like absolutely wonderful. I'm not trying to sound like a jerk here, but, it's like, if that stuff goes like $20 a pound, what are you doing? No. Give me some Spam. My mom made me Spam, it would taste better because my mom made it, you know what I mean? So, I'm not picky. Alright. So, here we are. Now, let's remember, now that we have this really fancy thing, let's make sure we actually use it and we can look at what I'm doing here. There we go. And now we will put the Penang Hokkien prawn, aka spicy prawn noodle soup paste in here. I don't know, is Hokkien prawn noodle soup, is that Nyanya? I don't know. If you're a Penangite and you know what please let me know. I don't know if this is Nyanya or not. Like, there's like Laksa is Nyanya, or Nyanya. Nyanya. Basically like a fusion, kind of like a heritage fusion of cultures and food that's like really unique to the Penang, Malaysia area, and it's I would say it's holy. It's amazing. White curry, I know that's a Nyanya thing, right? Okay. So now you got this big old blob of paste. Just start loving on it, stirring it. Oh man, if you could smell that, it's sweet. It has the strongest prawn scent ever. And it's just like oily, and it gets. But one thing about this stuff, I mean, what I would do if I was just making it myself, this is a new, or, for myself, this is a new recipe, so I'm just following the instructions, doing it the way they tell you. But I would just boil it in with it, just so to make sure that everything gets stirred in completely, 100%. I mean, I'm going to stir the crap out of this, but it really combines so much better when it's boiled in with it. But on the thing, it doesn't say to do that. It says to stir it in later, which is what I'm doing. This is one of those things that when I make it for review, and I know that most of this will go down the drain, it's very hard because this is like one of my favorite things. Here we go. All right. Good bite to it. Whew, this one has more spiciness than usual, I think. Here's the broth. So you can see it kind of lapping on the side, how oily and how kind of like you can see those little specks. Oh yeah. God, that's good. That is one of my favorite tastes in the world. Okay. Now, let's see what we can do to it. So, I'm going to put some mung bean sprouts in with it over here, and then I'll dump it in the bowl. Actually, I've got some fish ball too, and I want those to take on the color of the broth. There's the fish ball. They're Dodo brand fish ball. Find them anywhere fish balls are sold, because hopefully they have them. If they don't, that's a bummer, because Dodo make the good ones. At least that's how I feel about it. Don't spill. There Come on. Pop up. There you go. Okay, let's see. I want to get this so you can see everything. Alright. So we got our fish ball. We got our mung bean sprout. We got an egg, because you gotta have an egg. So here comes Miles is making funny noises in the living room. Meh. Egg. Now let's see if I can do a better job of cutting the egg in two this time. A little bit. A little bit. Okay. Let's throw this out. I've got some spring onion. Let's just do this. I'm just kind of going to give it a wash. Yeah, there you go. That oiliness, that look is like really normal. Where is it? Then we got this garnish right here. So let's pop this out. This is like one of the best parts of it too. Oh, I need my scissors still. And it can all go right there. Nice big pile of it. It's fried onion. This is like, I'm just gonna say it. My favorite part of Indomie was the fact that it had the fried onion. This fried onion makes that stuff look like crap. And there isn't a lot about Indomie that looks like crap, but yeah, I love Indomie. This one is just like really nice. God, what else should I slap on here? I could put some sesame seed. I don't know. I got some new spicy chili crisp, but that no. So let's get a nice look at this. Kind of learning the ropes on where to position this thing too. That looks pretty darn good. So let's let it go and listen to our fancy pants music. Alright, well cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye!